Let's walk through the process of measuring for aluminum Colonial style exterior window shutters. This video is the first in a two-part series that concludes with installing aluminum Colonial style shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment, including a steel tape measure, sturdy ladder, and notepad and pencil to record your measurements. Shutters are constructed with extruded aluminum alloy for impeccable strength and remarkable durability. They are primarily installed for storm protection in high-velocity hurricane zones. A shutter designated for hurricane protection will be made with reinforced impact-resistant louvers. Shutters specified as decorative only are constructed with hollow louvers that are perfect for daily use, but are less resilient to extreme force. Narrow openings may need only one shutter to cover the window, while wider windows might use 2, 3, or 4 shutters to shield the expanse. The window width will dictate the appropriate number. Measure the width from the left side to the right side of the window. Then, measure the height from top to bottom. The ordered shutter unit size should overlap the window opening by at least 1 inch on all sides, or slightly beyond the window trim. Operable hinged aluminum Colonial shutters are ordered as full shutter units, not as individual shutters. Note that if the shutters are ordered too wide, the gap between the window and open shutter may look unnatural. Decorative stationary shutters, to be installed with fixed brackets, are ordered as individual panels. Supply the width and height of each shutter needed. Hinges attach just to the outside of the window opening, allowing the shutters to horizontally swing open and closed. Hinges require a flat 4 3/8 mounting surface. Installation screws must be properly anchored to a structurally sound foundation in accordance with local building codes. Standard depth hinges may be used when a single shutter opens to the side. It is recommended to have at least 1 inch between the back of the shutter and the glass. If more depth is needed, build-out hinges are available. When multiple shutters open to one side, they are connected with inner panel hinges. Build-out hinges are required for this arrangement. The shutters will fold into one another and back against the siding. An optional divider rail separates the louver area into top and bottom sections. Specify the division point for the divider rail with the measurement from the bottom of the shutter to the desired center of the divider. Colonial aluminum shutters lock in a closed position using one of 2 methods. Storm bars span the full width of the unit and quickly screw into each side stile to brace the shutters in the event of an impending storm. Alternatively, integrated pin latches are a quicker method to anchor the shutters over the window. Pin latches are bolts built into the side stiles that slide vertically into receiving brackets on the top and bottom. Elect for either inside or outside adjustment knob access. Aluminum shutters include all structural hardware necessary for installation, including the hinges that come pre-attached. This is a good time to select a finish color. Aluminum shutters are powder-coated from a set of standard colors or from an extensive deck of RAL colors. An optional epoxy prime coat is recommended for a longer finish life, especially for structures along the coast. Shutterland is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at shutterland.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.